Good day mga idol, mga igan. In our last video, we promised to share our experience in pre-range chicken farming and compare that with game fowl breeding natin ngayon para sa kaalaman ng ating kapwa breeders at lahat ng nasa industriya ng pagmamanok. So, umpisa na natin. So guys, sa pre-range, mas mababang paunang gastos. Mas madaling simulan, steady nakita sa itlog. Bagay para sa mga hobbyist at small time selling. Sa game fowl breeding naman, mas mataas ang initial cost and management. Pero may potential for higher income per unit if you have the market and lineage. With higher capital exposure and risk involved, in need talaga ng strict monitoring and proper recording. Medyo mahaba ang topic na to. So we will divide this into 5 parts para maipaliwanag natin ng maayos as best as we can as follows. So number 1, ang cost of acquisition of initial breeding materials. Number 2, yung housing and other facilities. Number 3, yung feeding protocol, vitamins, supplement and vaccination. And number 4, siyempre yung market and revenue projection. At yung number 5 naman ay yung return of investment. Now, let's start with number 1 topic and assume a baseline of 12 heads of chicken, which means 2 rooster and 10 hens or pullets. So, what are the different breed of pre-range chicken that we can choose in the market? Number 1, we have the Rhode Island Red, the Sussex, the Australorps, and Buff Orpington. And we also have the local one which we call the Darag and very famous from Panay Island. The Manok Pinoy, which is being promoted by Secretary Piñol, the Basilan, to mention only a few, and the more popular ones. Magkano naman ang mga presyo nito? Usually, for this type of chicken, the price ranges as follows. Number 1, sa fertile egg, 25 to 50 pesos. Sa day-old chick naman is about 25 to 100 pesos. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng ready to breed, which is about 4 to 5 months, ito ay umaabot ng 300 to 1,000 pesos. So, ang total price sa starter natin, based on the maximum price, is around 12,000 pesos. Kung ready to breed na ang bibilhin natin para makapag-produce ka kaagad ng mga eggs. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa game fowl. And here are the usual breed available in the Philippines. By the way, all these breeds also came from US and brought here by our known breeders and cockers. So number 1, we have the Hatch, the Roundhead, the White Hackle, the Clarets, the Grays, the Sweeters, Kelso, Lemon, and so many other variations and cruises. So, ang price range naman, pag kumuha ka sa backyard breeders, the fertile egg is 50 to 100 pesos. The day-old chick is 300 to 500. The month-old is around 700 to 1,000. And the ready-to-breed is about 3,000 to 5,000 pesos. But sa mga known and established breeders and commercial farms, ito yung presyo nila sa trio, meaning 1 brood stag and 2 pullets or hens. For crosses, it's about 25,000 to 40,000. For pure line of breed, is around 60,000 to 80,000. So yung total initial cost natin sa game fowl for 12 heads ranges from a low of 60,000 to a high of 200,000. Dito pa lang mga idol, kita na natin ang malaking agwat at pagkaiba sa presyo. Yan na muna mga idol, mga igan. Konting lambing lang guys. Paki-like, share, and click the follow button below para updated ka sa ating upcoming videos. In our next video, we'll discuss the difference in facilities required for each line of breeding. Thank you and till our next video.